Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna see Kent's 12 observation from Kent's 7th observation. This will be the part 2 of this Kent's 12 observation. So 7th observation is full-time amelioration of the symptoms yet no relief of the patient. That means there is full-time amelioration of the patient, but there is no relief in the patient's condition. Patient is not feeling well, no matters his signs and symptoms are gone. Then also the patient is not feeling well. That is, after well selected remedy, there is amelioration takes place, but no relief to the patient as a whole or not in a state of well-being. So, due to the lack of vital organ or congenital diseases, this condition may occur. And this can be called as palliative remedy. Here, at this stage, only palliation can be the only option or a remedy to be given to the patient, just to remove his signs and symptoms. Now, in this observation, there will be bad prognosis of the case, then can't expect highest ideal of cure by this kind of palliative remedies. Now coming to the aphorism number 8, here Kent has told us that some patients prove every remedy they get. So some patients are idiosyncratic patients who are tend to prove each and every remedy which they had prescribed. They are oversensitive to many things and proves medicine in the higher potencies. The patient are great provers. They are such a great provers that you can give any medicine to the patient, they will tend to prove that medicine, but in the higher potency. And here they cannot be cured very easily, or they can stay like that only for their lifelongs. So in acute cases, if they are having some signs and symptoms, then we can give 30th or 200 potency and we can expect the cure. But in some kind of cases, not in all cases, and in chronic cases, we can give 30th, 200, 500 potency to cure. Also, the patient sometimes is incurable and has a bad prognosis. So coming to the next observation, that is 9th observation. So action of the medicine upon prover. Here healthy provers are benefited by proving, and the constitutional symptoms of the healthy prover should be noted carefully. Now what are the constitutional symptoms? That when a healthy person who is a prover, who is selected to prove the medicine, should have some kind of constitution, and that constitution, when he is at a normal healthy state, should be noted down carefully, so that to avoid the bad drug proving. So here this is the constitutional symptoms of the patient when he is normal or when he is healthy, minus the proved drug symptoms, so that we will get the drug picture. That is only given the action of medicine upon the prover. Now the 10th observation, new symptoms appearing after the remedy. Now after giving the remedy, the new symptoms are tend to attend. Why it is like that? Then the selective remedy is incorrect, or it indicates the medicinal aggravation. These two possibilities might be there for this appearance of the symptoms. Okay, so here we'll divide that two conditions. When new symptoms appear, what are the possibilities? We have to verify the remedy, then verify the attendant might be old symptoms are coming again and we are considering it as the new symptoms. So to cross check this, we have to verify the signs and symptoms from the attendance of the patient who has came along with them. Then patient might have forgot to tell all the signs and symptoms, and now after that signs and symptoms are coming, they are remembering it, yeah, but telling as a new symptoms, or patient might have habitual to those symptoms. Also, new symptoms appear never observed by anyone, not by their family members also, as well as the patient itself. If this condition occurs and really new symptoms appear, then immediately we have to antidote the medicine. Okay, at this stage there should be antidote, otherwise there will be adverse effect. So there is bad prognosis, so we have to retake the case and change the prescription, take entire totality of the symptom. We have to take general symptoms also as well as the particular symptoms also, but we have to take entire totality of the symptoms. This is what given in the 10th observation, that is new symptoms appearing after the remedy. 11th observation, that is old symptoms are observed to be reappear. So here the condition is favorable, then disease is curable, and case is following the Hering's law of cure, and cure is inevitable. So if in any patient the old symptoms are observed to reappear again, then you are on a right path, that this remedy is completely suitable to the patient, and this is what the simulacrum of the disease which you have prescribed. So here in the graph, A, B, C is the disease symptoms. Now if these symptoms are there and if we administer the medicine to the patient, we'll see the old symptom first, that is the C wala symptom, then the B1 symptom and the A symptom. And if you see all these symptoms together, then do not repeat this remedy. Let the remedy complete its action, and then you can see the complete cure. So just wait and watch or keep the patient on the placebo. There is the good prognosis, and if necessary to repeat the dose, then repeat it, but in the lower potency. Here's the disease is following the pure form of Hering's law of cure. So what is Hering's law of cure is the cure must taken from above downwards, within outwards, and from more important organ to the less important organ, and in its reverse order of appearance of symptoms. This is the Hering's law of cure when the remedy is given, when the remedy is prescribed which is simillimum to the case. Now coming to the 12th observation, here symptoms takes the wrong direction. What it means, that it is completely opposite to the 11th observation, that is Hering's law ka ulta law. Here it is applied on the 12th observation. So not a good condition of the patient. It is not following the Hering law. Selection of remedy is not on simillimum, and the remedy is suppressing the disease manifestation. Here A, B, C are the symptoms, and after the medicine administered, you can see initially it is showing the first symptom, then second, then third, and it is going reverse to the Hering's law of cure. So this is the wrong method. If you see such kinds of symptoms in any kind of case, then firstly antidote that remedy, or else structural change may occur in the other structures, and the selection should be done on the general symptoms of the case. remedy should be given on the basis of general symptoms, and if not, then there will be a bad prognosis and cure takes place from center to periphery and not from the periphery to center. You have to remember this, that cure always takes place from center to periphery and not from the periphery to center. For your better understanding, I have made this clock structure and make it easy to understand. Also, I have given some mnemonics to by heart this 12 observation, that are P L A N A T F S A N O S. So here it is the other trick, but this I'll explain you. Now focus to this. This arrow shows aggravation and this arrow shows amelioration. Now the first observation is a prolonged aggravation and a final decline of the patient. So there is prolonged aggravation sign and the final declination. This sign declination. Okay. Now see this 2 here, long aggravation but a final slow and steady improvement. 3, aggravation is quick, short and strong with rapid improvement of the patient. Now 4th, there is no aggravation with the recovery of the patient. And 5th, amelioration comes first and then the aggravation comes afterwards. Coming to the 6th, too short relief of symptoms. Okay, there is too short relief of symptoms and then again जैसे थे. Now coming to the 7th, full time amelioration of the symptoms yet no special relief to the patient. 8th, some patients prove every remedy they get. So 8 is like round from above and downside also. So it shows no change in the patient. Now coming to the 9, action of the medicine upon prover. So this is the prover and there is action of the medicine. 10th, old symptoms are observed to reappear. 11th, symptoms take the wrong direction. 11 should be like this, but symptom takes a wrong direction, that is downwards arrow. This shows that. Now you have to remember this chart or this mnemonics. If you like this, then please do subscribe to my channel and also give a good like. Thank you.